Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, today we are going to have a very exciting lecture, and I am sure that now you will understand that during the last lecture we talked about that why do we study. Today we are going to know that we study so many of the subjects. What is the need? What is the requirement? And what we achieve out of it. Okay. Why so many subjects? That is the question. But before we start, I will just ask you, when we say thank you so much, do we say this?
Yes.
When we say this? On what occasion we say that?
When somebody helps us or somebody gives us a favor that gives us some kind of fees.
And what do we call it in Urdu?
Shukriya, aapka bahut shukriya.
Shukriya. And how often we say? Every time somebody gives us a gift,
Yes.
Yes.
we should be saying that.
When
Yes.
somebody help us or
Is
give us
it-
any favor,
Yes. It is a manner or it is a requirement?
manners.
It is the manner.
And from where do we learn the manners?
From our
From our
Parents.
teachers and parents.
Everybody understand that we should be saying thank you. When we say in Urdu, हम कहते हैं आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. And when we have to thank Allah, what do we say?
Shukr alhamdulillah.
Shukr alhamdulillah.
And how often we should be saying it?
Every time.
Every time. Every time Allah. Every time we eat food and every step we walk.
And what do we call it in Urdu, in English now?
Thank you, Allah. Thank God.
Okay. Is it a kind of feedback?
No. It's
We
Yes.
give Allah the feedback.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is it a feedback?
Sir,
Yes.
I think it's a thank, not a feedback.
Yes. This is a way to acknowledge. This is the way to say thank you. This is the way to give a feedback. So, as you, as a student, you like to give me the feedback. So, every favor we get from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have to say Shukr alhamdulillah. Okay? And it comes
Okay,
from
sir.
Shukriya. Okay, if you get a gift from your mom, whom you will give शुक्रिया किसका अदा करेंगे आप?
माँ का और अल्लाह का.
दोनों का करना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि मॉम अल्लाह ने आपको मॉम दी और मॉम ने आपको गिफ्ट दिया. So you have to complete the loop. Okay? Okay, with that we start with this lecture. What is this? Can you read it?
ABC. ABC. These are the.
Okay, A is for
Knowledge.
Allah.
for writing.
what is B for?
Behave.
Allah.
Say something. Everybody has to say something. B is for
Yes.
Behavior.
Bismillah. Bismillah. B
okay.
is for Bismillah.
And what is C for?
Theater.
एक glass पानी ला दो.
Creator. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. What else?
Cultivator.
Counselor.
Okay. We are starting today from ABC, okay? And what does it mean that we are starting from very beginning? A, B, C. Let's say for today's lecture, C is for car. Okay? C is for car. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in front of the screen, you have two kids, a beautiful girl, a beautiful boy. Both are watching this car. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you can you guess what are they thinking?
That
They are thinking that who created this car and all that.
I wish I had this car.
Okay. Any other guess?
It's a nice car.
Okay. What else?
I think they say I like the color red on the car.
Okay, that is again very nice.
Who
If you
created
are
this?
if you are at their place, what you will think? Put yourself in their position. What will be your thought?
That the
Sir,
car's
I would be
design is
thinking
very
if
good.
I were him, I would be thinking that who is it?
How big is the engine?
Okay. They there is a possibility that someone may be thinking that I take a picture of this car. Somebody can say I can draw this car. Somebody may want to buy this car. Somebody may have the wish to drive this car. Somebody wants to gift this car to his father. Somebody may like to have a showroom of such cars. Somebody may like to make this car. Somebody may like to have a factory where such type of cars can be built. Is it possible that different people can
Sir.
different people can think of different things?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it a possibility? Okay?
Yes.
It is a possibility. What you would like to do and what is the easiest thing to do in your opinion?
Take a picture.
Take a picture. Gift.
And what it takes to take a picture? What it will take? A camera
Yes.
and permission from the owner?
Yes.
Yes.
What else?
Hands?
Yes. You would require some knowledge about the camera, how to use it. You will require skill to use a camera. You would require certain knowledge that how to take a good picture. You will require certain things. But everything requires different kind of skills, okay? Now come to this, that what is thinking, what is imagining, and what is visualization. You will be thinking to take a picture, you will imagine you are taking a picture, or you can visualize that you have already taken a picture. What you would like to do?
Realizing.
Visualizing?
Yes.
Are there
Yes.
different things? Are there different things? Thinking
sir.
is the same thing as imagining?
No.
No, sir.
What is the difference between
Sir, in
imagining
thinking
and
what you
visualization?
do- In thinking, what you do is you think that how I will take the picture, and in imagining, you imagine it. Imagine and picture that you're taking a picture of the car.
Okay, we will discuss this point, but what I want to share with you is that a person who is willing to take a picture, he cannot build a car. Can he make a car? Because he is not thinking that way. So you only, Walaikum Salam, beta. You only, no problem, beta. तो आप वो काम नहीं कर सकते जो आप सोच ही नहीं रहे, वो हो सकता है खुद.
No.
You have to think first. You have to imagine. You have to visualize that you are doing that job. और जिस चीज का आपके पास मकसद हो सिर्फ आप वही अचीव कर सकते हैं. वो है ना लैसल इंसान इल्ला मासा, कि जिसकी आप कोशिश करेंगे आपको वही चीज मिलेगी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट बी वेरी क्लियर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. You just want to attend a lecture, you want to learn something, you want to add value to yourself, you want to improve your skills, you want to increase your knowledge, you want to set your mind, you must be very clear कि जो काम आप करना चाह रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपको बिल्कुल क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए in your mind. Okay? Okay, now let's see this slide, next one. If you have to make a car, let's say we want to make a car. Can you imagine that from where the process starts? If you see
Sir,
down below, you have
process
to
what? Process
to make
what, sir?
process of making a car. What it
Okay.
takes to make. First of all, you understand that car is made of parts. It is made of parts. Parts are made on machine. That machine utilizes the material. Material is to be made by using chemistry. You have to use the foundry, and that is fed by the minerals. So you can change minerals into a car. Can you change a mineral into a car if you go through this process?
Yes.
Yes.
So you have to imagine first of all that you have the capability, or humans have the capability, they can convert minerals into a moving car, a brand new car. Can you imagine this way?
Yes.
Can you imagine this way? So what it takes? Do you need knowledge, skill, or mindset? What do you need? And what kind of people you require to mine the thing, to bring the mineral from the mines?
Sir, we need skill.
Yes. So you understand that you need different type of people. The people who know chemistry, the people who know about the material, they know about the machines, and they know the sequence also, what is to be done, how it is to be done. अभी जैसे अगर किसी ने कार बनानी है तो कल हमने बात की थी कि उसको पता होना चाहिए कितना वेट होना चाहिए, तो उसे अर्थमेटिक का पता होना चाहिए कि वेट कितना है इसका, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है, गाड़ी की कितनी वेट लेंथ होनी चाहिए आपके ख्याल में?
Sir, 1 meter.
1 meter तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should be more, like 4 to 5 meters at least. For a racing car, 7 meters at best. It should be 4 to
And
5 meters for a
I'm
normal
talking
car.
about the two-seater car. I'm talking about the two-seater car.
okay, let's talk of two-seater car.
2 meters, 1 to 2 meters, I guess.
And how do you know that you should require this much? What is your basis?
Through
You
experience.
have estimated, you have
Estimation
calculated,
through
or you have
experience. Estimation through experience.
If a person is sitting, how much space he takes?
1 seat.
1 meter, half a meter, what is your guess? What is your estimate?
Half a meter.
And how long an engine should be?
Not half a meter, like at least 5 to 6 centimeters.
Centimeters?
Yes.
Prashant, that's like very less. Like
Oh yeah, sorry. I meant. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Aren't 10 centimeters 1 meter, or is that
Yes.
100 centimeters?
Now, do you know that you are thinking in arithmetic now? You are making use of mathematics. You are trying to calculate and figure out that what is the requirement of length of a car. Now you see that you have to apply arithmetic time and again in life. And what should be the weight of car?
3 to 4 kg? No. It should be more. Sorry. It should be
like sir, at least 400
70 kg.
No.
Why,
Sir, I
why,
think
do,
it should be fine.
why do you say this?
because when there's like a slope or uneven area, the car needs to be heavy enough to stay on the ground. If it's light, it would easily tilt and fall.
That is a very good point. What
No,
is
it
the
should be
weight
one-
of what is the weight of a normal person?
30 kg. Sir, age क्या है? Age क्या है?
Okay, let's say 40 years.
70
80 kg. 80 kg.
80.
And we have talked about the two-seater car. So 2 makes
140 kg.
and what should be the weight of the engine?
160. 20?
What is the estimated weight of a tire? How many tires?
1 kg.
Probably about
2
10
kg.
kg.
Now imagine
one
that
kg.
imagine that you can measure everything, actually make a measurements, and then you exactly know that should be the weight of this. Okay?
I didn't plan this, he did. No?
So this way you are applying this. Okay, can you tell me that how can we convert a mineral into a metal
Mineral into a metal?
sheet?
Sheet of metal.
By combining the minerals and then
Use
slide
heat.
out.
Which
Use
which
heat.
subject you should know? Metallurgy, chemistry, mining,
Metallurgy.
or on anything?
Metallurgy.
Mining.
Mining,
And,
not mining. Mining is extracting minerals. We're talking about making metal sheets. It would be metallurgy. 'Cause
Okay,
in
for that,
metallurgy-
okay, for that matter, let's say that we have to make a paper sheet. You will require chemistry or you will not require chemistry?
Chemistry. You will. Sir, what sheet?
Sir,
What sheet?
Sir, I don't think we would require chemistry because, like, you just chop up wood and just take a
But
really.
the process of making paper requires chemicals.
Yeah, it does, and you should know. In chemistry, is the knowing of chemicals.
Yeah,
Oh.
and you just can't chop up a tree and expect it to be paper instantly.
Well, I
Okay,
know
Yes.
as a student, what I would do, that I will go to the net once ever you have the time, and I will find out they make paper, whether they require chemistry or not. Okay?
Sir, but sometimes-
Whenever in doubt, you must consult your friend or any person who is knowledgeable. So this is the way humans learn. They find out always. If there is a doubt, they don't remain in doubt. They go and get that information, because nowadays everything is available. So you can find out. Okay, if I have to generalize one statement, what word I should use to make things? What is that word? Single word which says it all. It may be paper, it may be part, it may be metal sheet or anything else. Any guess, any estimate? In your estimation or in your guess or whatever you want to call it, what you need to do? We call it a process. Everything has to go to certain processes, and in the end we get the product. It can be chemical processes, it can be physical processes, it can be psychological processes, or different processes. To learn what are the processes, we have to know the sequence also. आप समझ रहे हैं बात को या नहीं? There is no feedback.
Sir, I'm
Yes,
getting
sir.
it.
I'm समझ रहे हैं.
One time.
So you need to understand the processes. And as a student, what process you should know? Process of thinking, learning, understanding, which process?
The process of understanding.
Okay. What else?
Thinking.
Yes.
Sir, yes, also learning because when you learn something, you understand it. So yeah, you understand.
Sir, organizing.
Yes, very nice. Okay, I will introduce one more word, that process. You should understand a process once in life. How does a process take place? What is the requirement? What is the sequence of processes? You can understand that there are many things which are interconnected. If you have no minerals, you can't make sheets. If you don't understand the process of melting things, you will never understand, you will never get the sheets. So you have to understand many processes in life. Process, how to generate an idea, how to utilize that idea. Now, yesterday we introduced a terminology of ability, able, ability, and capable. So, process, if you understand, you are knowledgeable about the process, you will become capable. You will generate that ability. So, you have to acquire the abilities to do certain processes. So, all these processes are of general nature, but you need to integrate them. You need to understand what are the processes. So, now from this diagram, you can understand that we have to learn chemistry, because if we understand chemistry, then we, when required in whatever field you are, you will know that I have to consult the chemistry or a chemist or an expert in chemical engineering to get the thing done from him.
Sir,
Yes?
so the diagram is basically saying that to make a car, you need to make parts, and to make parts, you need a sheet. So for the sheet, you mix
Yes.
chemicals and then heat the sheet, and then you get the materials. Is that basically what the chart's saying, right?
Yes, that is right. Everything is interconnected. You may not be doing it everything yourself, but you should know the process. How does it is made? So different students are taught the same subjects in the primary school, in the secondary school, so they understand the processes. So once they decide that they will become a mechanical engineer, they should know from where the material he is going to get, from which profession. So if you have the understanding, you will be able to do your job with a more proficiency, more productively. So aim in school is to introduce you to different subjects so you clearly understand. Do you think that everything cost? We have to pay a cost for everything?
Yes.
And you have to buy certain things, you have to make certain things. तो आपको
Yes, sir.
स्कूल में बाकी इकोनॉमिक्स और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स भी पढ़ाई जाती हैं ताकि यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ कॉस्टिंग इज डन, हाउ मनी इज सर्कुलेटेड, हाउ मनी इज यूज्ड, मार्केटिंग कैसे होती है, हु बाइज. तो डिफरेंट चीजों को आप इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. तो बहुत से जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो बताने के लिए भी, जैसे अगर आपने गाड़ी बनानी है तो विल यू रिक्वायर टू मेक अ डायग्राम. अभी पार्ट्स बनाने हैं तो डायग्राम बनानी पड़ेगी ना किसी को बताने के लिए कि आपको ऐसा पार्ट चाहिए, इस
Yes,
डायमेंशन
sir.
वाला चाहिए. तो यू शुड बी गुड एट ड्राइंग. तो शुरू में आपको ना नॉर्मल ड्राइंग बना के देते हैं कि आप एक फ्लावर बना दें, एक सीन बना दें. लेकिन जब अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग में जाना, फिर आपको ड्राइंग बनाने के लिए यू रिक्वायर वेरी प्रिसाइज ड्राइंग. सो इफ यू हैव अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, डिफरेंट थिंग. तो इस वजह से ना छोटी क्लासेस में डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जाते हैं ताकि आपको चीजें क्लियर हो जाएं. दे शुड स्टार्ट मेकिंग सेंस टू यू. And what is the most important thing in this diagram, which is not visible, but it is there?
The order of things.
Yes, that is visible. Anything else?
Sir, they only
But
showed
that is
how
not
to...
visible.
That is not visible.
They only showed us how to make the materials. They didn't tell how to make the parts
You
and then how to
you
make
are
the
very
cars.
you are very you are very near. You are very near.
So they didn't tell us what fields. They didn't tell us what fields we should be. We need to have expertise in.
Basically, what you need to understand is that it is the communication that you should know. You should be communicating with the books. Information is available, and it is a way to communicate with each other. Drawing also communicates with the manufacturer that they require this kind of part, this kind of thing. So communication becomes very important, not verbal, it is in writing most of the time. Okay? We go to the next one. Okay. We have to understand कि हर चीज के लिए आपको नॉलेज भी चाहिए होता है, आपको स्किल भी चाहिए होता है, एंड यू शुड हैव द राइट माइंडसेट. नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू, अगर आप माइनिंग का काम कर रहे हैं तो यू रिक्वायर नॉलेज, you require skill, and you require mindset. What does it mean? Anybody who would like to say something?
Sorry, my headphones unplugged for a second. What was the question?
My question is that to do anything, like you are mining thing or you are melting the, you require three things. One is knowledge, second is skills, and third is the right mindset. Do you understand the difference between knowledge, skill, and mindset?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, we get the knowledge from books. We acquire the knowledge into skills, and then we get a
Yes.
mindset.
Yes. Like you understand that we all have the knowledge that to take a picture, you require a camera. It is knowledge. It is understanding. But how to take a picture or can you take a good picture? That requires skill, practice. You need certain techniques. And if you become a good photographer, then you are able to take every time a very good picture because you have the right mindset. You fully understand what it takes to take a good photograph. समझ रहे हैं बात को? इसी तरीके से if you want to indulge yourself in chemistry, तो आपके पास knowledge भी होना चाहिए, skill भी होना चाहिए, mindset भी होना चाहिए. Now you get knowledge from the books, from the classroom. From where do you get the skill? And how do you develop your mindset?
Sir, you get skill from knowledge. You get
Sir,
skill
we
from
get skill
knowledge
from experience.
and
And
knowledge.
how do you get the experience?
Sir, making mistakes, and the next time you'll know that you did this thing wrong. So then over time, you will know all the mistakes that you made. So eventually, you'll be very good at it because practice makes perfect.
Okay. The Emblem school system has made few clubs that you acquire practical skills. Like they run cooking classes. So skill in cooking will not be available from the recipe book. Recipe book you will get only the knowledge, but in the club you would exactly know that skill which are required to cook something good. And by virtue of doing this, you develop that mindset if you like that hobby.
Yes.
So they have made many hobby clubs. They physically the students they are given chance to do practical and learn the skill from the experts. And this way they convert their knowledge into skill, and finally they develop the mindset. So all these three things are to be joined together to create the correct ability, then the capability, then the capacity. So similarly, if you have to make parts, you will again require knowledge, you will require skills, you will require the mindset. So no matter what you do in life, in every profession, for every subject, you need to have knowledge, skills, and the mindset. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are now moving to next step. We have understood how car is made, what are the processes, what kind of ability we require, and how we acquire that capability from the combination of knowledge, skill, and mindset. And we have also found out that everything is interconnected. And the person who has generated the knowledge, he made it through the observation. And human have the capability to change mineral into a beautiful car. Can you change the knowledge? Can we change the knowledge, our knowledge? Anyone?
Sorry, sir. Can we change our knowledge?
Can we improve our knowledge?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
is
sir.
improvement is a change or not a change? Good change or a bad change?
Good change. Good change. It's a good change.
Yes, that means we can, that means from by changing we can convert a mineral into car, and if we improve or change our knowledge, we can do better things. Can we improve our skills?
Yes. Yes.
Can we change our mindset for new things?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is the reason we understood the process of change. You remember?
Yes.
Now imagine how powerful is the change. It can change mineral into car. It can change our abilities. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's equate this. Let's equate this with this tree. Tree has three main parts: the roots, the trunk, and the branches. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any tree has roots which are not visible under the ground, the trunk which is visible, and the different branches. Now this is a very important diagram to understand subjects and understand life, both the things. And if you really want to be strong and successful in life, then you should have very strong roots, which are not visible. But you must understand that how to develop that roots, because it all depends that how high or how beautiful tree is going to be. It all depends that what is the process of roots. So in the next two slides, we will understand how roots and what is the main purpose to develop the roots and how we can improve ourselves and how can we succeed in life. In this picture, we can see that from seed we can get a tree. Is it so?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So can you see in the seed? Just focus on the seed, the first one. Can you see a tree in the seed? Can you
Yes.
imagine there is a tree in the seed?
No. No.
Can you imagine that there is a tree in the seed which will come out after few years?
Yes, I guess. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you see oxygen in that seed coming out with the tree?
No.
No.
Oxygen. Tree gives us the oxygen.
No,
And
but sir, when it grows, then it will give you oxygen.
yes, after some years it can give you oxygen, the seed, after becoming tree. Like a kid who is a small kid, he can become an engineer, he can become a doctor, he can become a pilot
Yes.
after a few years.
Yes.
So anything which is not visible but possibility is there, we say it has the potential. It has the potential. If a kid, he has the potential, she has the potential to become a doctor. Is it so?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
that
Yes,
is
sir.
to be taken that is
Yes,
to be
sir.
taken care of. Step by step, you have to take care of it. Otherwise, it won't become. Although it has the potential, there is a possibility, but it will only turn into a tree. And if it turns into tree, then it will give oxygen. So it is an oxygen plant in making. So can you see the possibility? So good students always see the possibility. What is possible? What can be done? What can be achieved? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's come to the last few slides. The trunk of a tree is the general things which you have to learn from school. In the roots, where I have shown the earth also, it is underground, but these are the principles of life. They remain the same, rest of the knowledge and everything keeps changing. But the roots are very, very strong. They don't change for life. We call it habits. And we have to understand and make special emphasis on the roots, about our roots, that how we have to live our life, no matter what is the profession, what is the expertise, what you want to achieve in life, but the thing which is in the roots will stay the constant. They are never going to change. So what are these? We will learn. So journal part you learn from the school, the yellow part you learn from the universities, and rest you prosper at your own. The society, family, and yourself, they have to work on the roots. The school provides you complete assistance in the general abilities, and to some special abilities are achieved from the universities. Rest you do yourself. I will just give you an example. In the roots, you must believe in yourself. You must believe in Allah. As Allah has said that उसने इंसान को अशरफुल मखलूक बनाया, मखलूकात.
Sir, your mic is mute.
Okay. Believe mean that you have to believe in Allah, and Allah says कि उसने बंदों को बेहतरीन बनाया. So you have to believe in yourself. That is very important. No matter what you do, you want to buy a car, you want to make a car, you want to take a photograph. You have to have believe in yourself, because you have been created by Almighty Allah, and you have the everything available which is required to become a good photographer or a manufacturer or a showroom owner. You should have patience, जिसको सब्र कहते हैं. No matter you are teaching, you are learning, you are making something, you are dealing in commerce or something, in everything you require patience. Then you should be fearlessness आप में होनी चाहिए. आपको डर नहीं होना चाहिए किसी चीज. आप hygienic बड़े clean होने चाहिए, because it is half of our Islam.
Fearless? आपने कहा ओके मेरी आवाज
fearlessness. आपने fearful नहीं होना, fear के बगैर होना है. फिर आपकी बड़ी अच्छे morals होने चाहिए और values अच्छी होनी चाहिए. You should be very honest, you should be very committed, और आप में resilience बड़ी होनी चाहिए. Now this is neither knowledge nor skill nor mindset. This is what you should believe. You should be able to do it, because हमारा जो सारा इस्लाम का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सारा इन्हीं चीज़ों पे बना हुआ है. सारी हदीसें, सारे कुरान करीम के अहकामात, अल्लामा इकबाल, वो सारे इस फाउंडेशन पे बने हुए हैं. If you have strong roots, if you are very strong at the foundation, then only school will take charge of. आपको जनरल एबिलिटी देंगे और आपको थोड़ी सी स्पेसिफिक एबिलिटीज मिलेगी यूनिवर्सिटी से. रेस्ट, इफ यू आर कमिटेड, you believe in yourself, you are honest, you are resilient, और आपको किसी का डर या खौफ नहीं है और आप में सब्र है, then it is not possible. You may become an athlete, you may become a student, you may become a teacher, researcher or anything. You will always be successful. वो physical ground हो, वो intellectual ground हो, emotional हो, आप painter बनना चाहें. This all depends upon you, what you like. But if you are not honest, if you don't have good moral values, if you are afraid, if you are impatient, if you are not resilient, you will never be able to succeed. You may succeed temporary, थोड़े अरसे के लिए. But if you really want to achieve, if you really want to learn, this is the area where you should be strong. इसे grooming. So you must groom yourself. You should be not a part, rather become a participant in your grooming. So if you ever can achieve this, rest assured, I can assure you that it is not possible that you can fail in any field. And you have to be very, very patient. इसीलिए कुरान करीम में सब्र के ऊपर बहुत सी आयत है. और जितनी भी हदीस हैं, सूरह पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने जितनी बातें कही, जितनी तरबियत हमारी होती है, जितने कुरान करीम में अहकामात हैं, वो सारे के सारे इसी के ऊपर फोकस है. So you don't have to only read them as a subject, वो अवेयरनेस के लिए, but you have to believe in everything. अगर आप सब्र में बिलीव नहीं रखते, हाइजीन में बिलीव नहीं रखते, खौफ में आप खौफजदा रहेंगे या आपकी मॉरल वैल्यूज ठीक नहीं रहेंगी, आप कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते. होंगे तो बड़ी वक्ती तौर पे होंगे, थोड़े अरसे के लिए होंगे. तो आई विल ऑनेस्टली रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप इन चीजों के ऊपर अपनी रूट्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करें. देयर इज नो रीजन दैट यू फेल इन एनी ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. देन इट बिकम वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज अगर आपको समझ नहीं आती किसी चीज की, एंड इफ यू आर पेशेंट and you are resilient, you will again try, you will again ask, you will not lose the hope or the effort. So if you do that, it may be a small subject, it may be a skill, it may be developing of your mindset. There is no possibility that you can ever fail in anything of life. So this is the success of Western societies. They are very patient with their commitment, but as they are not guided as the Muslims are, तो उनके अपने कुछ और किस्म के मसाइल जनरेट हो जाते हैं. But as we are guided, we are blessed, so there is no reason that we should be failing. But you can understand, if we don't follow this, there are no chances of success. It will be very small. So this school system, which is emblem school system, they weigh very heavily these things. That we as a team, as we are studying, we should be believing in ourselves that collectively we can make different things, we can make ourselves different. हम अपना knowledge increase कर सकते हैं, हम अपने skill set को बेहतर कर सकते हैं, हम अपने mind set को according to requirement कर सकते हैं. So this is the complete, जितने भी अभी तक लेक्चर हुए हैं, अगर आप उसका क्रक्स देखें, if you develop a very strong foundation, I intend that I will be explaining every factor in a more detail कि resilience कैसे कहते हैं, from where does the resilience come, patience कैसे अचीव करनी है, हाइजीन से क्या मुराद है, खौफ आप किस वजह से खाते हैं और क्यों खौफ आपको नहीं खाना चाहिए, वैल्यूज किसे कहते हैं, मॉरल्स किसे कहते हैं, ऑनेस्टी किसे कहते हैं. आपको पता है ना, रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को सादिक और अमीन कहा जाता था. दैट वाज द प्री रिक्विजिट जो कि सबसे पहले उन्होंने हमें सिखाया कि अगर आप ऑनेस्ट रहेंगे अपनी डीलिंग में, देयर इज नो चांस दैट यू विल एवर फेल, देयर इज नो चांस. तो वी हैव अ वेरी गुड मॉडल अवेलेबल विद अस. तो कलेक्टिवली विद द स्कूल विल हेल्प यू, नो मैटर कि आप स्कूल में एडमिट हैं या नहीं है. We will be making certain syllabus or curriculum and books which will be available for everyone, कि आपने कैसे ऑनेस्ट होना है, व्हाट आर दी 4 स्टेप्स विच यू टेक, वो क्या प्रोसेस है जो कि आपने जिसमें ऑनेस्ट हो जाना है, वो कौन से मॉरल्स हैं जिसको आपने फॉलो करना है, वो कौन सी वैल्यूज है विच वी मस्ट एडहेयर टू, रेजिलियंस से क्या मुराद है, सब्र से क्या मुराद है. We will provide you all the necessary information. If you want, we can give you experience also on that. But this way, now we are more centric कि जो आइंदा हमारी क्लासेस होंगी, जो जितने लेक्चर्स होंगे, उसमें we will be very specific that based on this foundation, how can we build ourselves. Kindly remember कि कोई चीज उस वक्त तक नहीं बनती जब तक आपके माइंड में वो चीज ना बन जाए. You have to imagine, you have to visualize, you have to feel that you have able to make yourself to that level. Now you can make a thing on ground. And this is a very, very interesting thing. और next जो हमारा lecture होगा वो है learning to learn. You must learn the techniques, how you can learn and benefit. तो अभी हम focus करेंगे next week onwards से कि learning to learn के ऊपर we will make a start. And if you can do that, then we will see that how Islam, Allama Iqbal and others have helped us and what they have indicated. कि कैसे आपने अपने आप को change करना है. Because if you change yourself, your knowledge, your skill, your mindset and your belief, you can do wonders. And this is exactly what other nations have done. And inshallah, we will also be trying to learn from everything which is possible, which is available, which is good thing, which is not to harm anyone. It is to collaborate with everyone. And with collaborative efforts, I am very sure that we can make not changes not in ourselves, rather in this society also. So this तरीके से हम अपने आप को definitely बेहतर कर सकेंगे. So that is all which I had to say today. If you have any question, please do ask.
कर्नल नवीद, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं सिर्फ आपके लेक्चर को इकबाल के कलाम से यूं डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगा सारे बच्चों के इंटरेस्ट की खातिर कि अल्लामा इकबाल ने एक बड़ी खूबसूरत नज़्म है जिसका उन्वान है पैवस्तर है शजर से उम्मीद बहार रख. आज आपने शजरकारी की है हमारे बच्चों के दिमागों में, और वो बीज की अहमियत, एक पौधे की अहमियत, एक दरख्त की अहमियत, दरख्त के साए की अहमियत, उसकी रूट्स की अहमियत, ये हमारे बच्चों को समझ आनी चाहिए. और लामा ने बड़ी खूबसूरत बात ये की है कि मिल्लत के साथ राब्ता उस्तवार रख, पैवस्तर है शजर से उम्मीद बहार रख. यानी हमने कौम बनानी है. हमारे बच्चे जो हैं, ये जो बच्चे आपसे पढ़ रहे हैं, इन्होंने मिल के कौम बनानी है. इन्होंने एक मिल के साले
They are very intelligent kids, sir. I am very sure that by the end of this series, we will make few computer programs with collaboration with these students, and you will see that it will change something in themselves, and they will be able to be instruments in changing others also, inshallah.
Of course. बस इनको अपने origin का पता चल जाए अगर हम सबको, तो हम यकीनन बाकी कौमों से कहीं बेहतर हैं हमारे लोग. बुनियादी फर्क ये हो गया कि हम अपने ओरिजिन को भूलते जा रहे हैं. तो आज आपने जो रूट्स की बात से की है, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. यकीनन ये अपने रूट्स को मजबूत करना चाहेंगे और इन रूट्स के जरिए पूरी दुनिया में एक नुमाइंदगी कर पाएंगे नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की एज एम्बेसडर्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.